Hey, what's going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips, welcome to another video on my channel. Sorry I sound out of breath, I just brought this upstairs. So I finally got my monitor. I actually recorded a segment of me unboxing for this for the first time when I first got it back in December. But unfortunately, my hard drive died. If you saw the video, you know. I lost all of my footage, including the footage for this video. So we're basically gonna re-record it. I basically got a brand new one. I don't know if they repaired it or if it's brand new. I can't remember what the box looks like. They either sent me a new unit or they repaired it. Something was wrong with my old one. I honestly wish I had the footage, but I don't because it's broken. The hard drive died. But yeah, I finally got my monitor back. So we're gonna unbox it. I will hook it up. I'm not gonna record hooking it up because it's gonna be basically impossible. And then I'll tell you my thoughts about it within a month or two. This is a ASUS ROG 27-inch 1440p monitor. It does have USB-C. It is HDR, which will be interesting because I've never messed with HDR. It goes up to apparently 320 hertz. I thought it was 165, but I think I can overclock it to up to 320 hertz. Obviously, it's 1440p monitor. It's supposed to have extremely low motion blur. It's got G-Sync, which my old one does. This one actually is very close to matching my old one, which is the one I am currently using, which you guys can find a link in the description below. And if you guys want to buy this one, there will be a link in the description below. I would honestly wait because it's not on sale anymore. I got it on sale. So yeah, we're just gonna unbox it. I'll show you what it looks like. I'll turn it on at my desk. So this is gonna be kind of a weird recording angle. I do apologize for that, but I just want to get this thing unboxed and finally using it after literal months of waiting. And by the way, ASUS, if you're watching this, okay, with that out of the way, sorry about rambling on. I do apologize for that. It looks like they actually broke the packaging, so that's fun. I really hope the monitor's not broken again. What is this? An ASUS shipping list. So you guys received it on the 24th of December, the day before Christmas, and there was some light leakage. It looks like they replaced the entire LCD. I really hope they tested it because I better not get another broken one. I don't even understand how light leakage happened. I'm assuming it happened in transit, if I had to guess. Regardless, I'm just happy that they fixed it and they didn't charge me for it because it was literally brand new. I think I gave this to them. Yeah, so this went with them. So I'm glad they returned that because that was actually nice of them. Usually in their like warranty stuff, they say do not put the original packaging or original cables in because you might not get them back. So I'm happy they sent them back. I remember this kind of being a pain last time. I had to put it back in the box after, you know, it broke. Oh, this is not easy, especially with one person. I really hope the monitor's not broken. Like, if it's broken again, I'm just gonna, well, actually, no, I don't even know, because I'm pretty sure the Amazon return failed. I'll just go back through ASUS and wait another 2 months, I guess. Yeah, this was not easy to get out. Oh, I know why. I know what's going on here. I swear last time I did this, there was a stand and it like clunked. I really hope they, I mean, I'm gonna mount it anyway, but staticky. So we got the stand right here. I'm not gonna unbox this. If you guys are curious, you can look up an actual video. It's still sealed. Not gonna do it because I am not taking it out of the package. I'm gonna be using a VESA mount. So I do want my monitor though. So here's the monitor. It looks like they repackaged it, which is nice. Styrofoam all over it. I'm gonna try to not ruin it too much just in case I ever want to sell this. The only thing I don't like about this one compared to my old one, I think my old one's a much older model. This one feels cheaper, even though it's like almost a $300 monitor. I'm not gonna give you guys the exact price. You guys can check it out in the description, but it feels a lot cheaper than, I don't know, maybe I'm being too picky. I just feel like monitors have gotten cheaper over the years, or at least cheaper feeling. I definitely have to be onto something there, right? Well, it doesn't look broken. Fingerprints all over it, but I'm gonna leave this protective film on until I get it mounted. So what I'm gonna do, if you guys are curious, let me just make sure you guys can see it. Obviously you got your ports, you got one display port, one HDMI, one Type-C audio in, and then your AC power, which is nice because I hate the barrel connectors. And that's about it. You got your mount, and I'm pretty sure the buttons are right here. Super tactile. I'll actually be able to get to use them, but this one just feels cheaper. Maybe it's because mine was broken. This one looks way better. I'm gonna go ahead and get this hooked up to my setup, and then I'll show you guys what the finished product looks like, and then how it looks and stuff. And then within a month, I might even just come back to you guys in a month. It depends on if I remember to record the next segment. But within a month or two, I will be, I'll be sure to let you guys know what I think about the monitor. Alrighty guys, as you can see, I have the monitor set up. This is my top 24. This is my old monitor, the 27-inch 1440p, and this is the new one. It looks much clearer. The protective film still on it. I haven't taken it off yet, but it's at 300 hertz, which I thought I was gonna have to overclock it, but I do not, which is pretty cool. You can see the bubbles. Yeah, 300 hertz. I did not expect this to just work. I don't know, you probably can't really see it on camera, and I don't really know if the naked eye could see it, but I think you can see up to 165, so this kind of just feels 10 times smoother. I don't know if I'm gonna run it on this, mainly because it may not, I could do 240. I may run it at 144, I don't know. I turned on HDR, it really doesn't look that good. So I turned on HDR and it looks worse. I don't know if that's normal. The brightness is lower. That might be normal. I don't know. I'm not going to do it in HDR because, I mean, it still does 144 or 300, which is nice, but I'm not going to use HDR personally. I think it looks better without the HDR. So I will talk to you guys in about a month or two, and I will tell you what my thoughts are on this ASUS monitor. If you guys want to check it out, there will be a link in the description below, and I will see you guys very soon. Alright guys, so it's been about a month, I'd say, yeah, because I recorded the first portion of this video on the 10th of February, so it's been about a month since I've had the monitor. It's great, and actually it goes to 4K apparently. I can overclock it to 4K. I probably won't play at 4K because I have two 1440p monitors, so it's kind of gonna mess the resolution up, and I have a 3080 and a 13700K, so I really don't think 1440 or 4K is going to do that well on this computer anyway. It could probably do some light 4K gaming, so I might mess with it once in a while, but I play at 1440p. I do leave it at 300 hertz, which it works fine. I don't have any issues with it, and a lot of older games that I play are running at 300 FPS, and it looks pretty good. So in terms of HDR, the HDR looks really good. I do notice some games when there is a black, when it tries to do like a black screen and there's some white text, it'll kind of flicker a little. I can't really, if I can get it on camera, I'll put something on screen now. Maybe I'll try to do it before I upload this video, but unfortunately, I don't know why it does that. It doesn't really, it's not that distracting because it doesn't really happen in games, but the HDR does look really good, especially in certain games. I've been playing Tom Clancy's The Division, the second one, and that looks really good with HDR. I don't know if it has natural HDR built into the game, but it still looks really good, even on this monitor. Yeah, there's not really much to talk about for this monitor. It has been working with no issues. I didn't know you could overclock it. I can actually overclock it to 320 hertz, but I leave it at 300 because extra 20 hertz, probably not really going to notice anyway. Yeah, I haven't really had any issues with it. I don't really even notice any ghosting when moving stuff around. I mean, I can kind of notice it, but not like something super noticeable. It's smooth ghosting. It's not like you can see a path of the ghost from the window moving behind it. I can't see that. I can obviously see the text, and I can like almost just barely get like the text in my eyes. It just hurts my eyes when I do that. But yeah, I mean, I really haven't had any issues with it. I'm not really sure if there's anything else to talk about. If there's anything you guys want me to answer about the monitor that you want to know, let me know in the comments below and I'll respond. It's working good. The HDR is great. It's crisp. It's clear. I think it was a decent upgrade, especially since I have two 1440p's and now a 1080. I do want to get a third 1440p, but I'm not really going to worry about it too much because the top monitor I use for my browser anyway, and the side monitor I use for streaming and Discord and stuff because I like the higher resolution for it. But yeah, there is going to be a link in the description below to this monitor if you want to buy it. If it's still in stock, I actually don't know if it's in stock because I can't seem to find it for some reason. Or not find it, I can find it in my orders, but I just can't find like I can't find the monitor anywhere on Google. I don't know if this monitor is that popular. If it's not, then I'll be the first one to do a video on it, which is pretty cool. But anyway, if you liked the video, drop a like. If you did not, drop a dislike. Subscribe to the channel if you guys have not done so already. And let me know what you guys want to see for future videos in the comments below, as well if you have any questions about this monitor. If you do, ask and I will respond. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys next video, and peace out.